Hey there, investors. Today, I've got something that's going to take your coffee business to a whole new level. Imagine boosting your coffee sales with an automatic paper cup making machine. Yes, you heard that right. Meet the new Production E Automatical Paper Cup Making Machine for coffee and tea. This isn't just any machine, it's a game changer. Think about it, efficient, reliable, and designed to cater to your business needs. It cranks out high-quality paper cups at lightning speed, ensuring you never run out during peak hours. Why is this important? Let's dive into some numbers. The coffee market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of over 4% through 2028. More customers mean more demand for your coffee, and more demand means you need more cups. This machine can produce up to 100 cups per minute, reducing your dependency on external suppliers. But it gets better. With this machine, you can customize your cup designs to reflect your brand perfectly. Imagine the impact of serving coffee in cups that showcase your brand's unique style. It's a fantastic way to enhance brand recognition and create a lasting impression on your customers. Now let's talk cost efficiency. This machine isn't just about speed, it's about savings. By producing your own cups, you cut down on outsourcing costs and increase your profit margins. Plus, it's eco-friendly, aligning with the growing consumer demand for sustainable practices. So, are you ready to elevate your coffee business? The new Production E Automatical Paper Cup Making Machine is your ticket to higher sales and stronger brand presence. Invest in this technology and watch your business brew up success. Thanks for watching and happy investing.